Hi everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're gonna draw
Petey from Dog Man.
Petey from Dog Man. All right, let's get to it.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay, so before we get started today, we're gonna do this landscape. At the moment, we have our paper vertical, but we wanna shift it around to the horizontal so it's landscape like that. All right, so you get your paper, you get your pen, let's get to it. The first thing we wanna do is we wanna draw Petey's sort of face. He's got a round face, and we wanna draw it roughly around here. We're gonna go a circle like so.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine, that's cool. Yep, that's awesome. Okay, so the next thing we wanna do with Petey is we're gonna do his smile. He's got a really cheeky smile. So you wanna do like a U, sort of like a boat. It's kind of like a half boat, so you wanna go like that. All right, so we're gonna do like a U, like a smiley face. So we've got a little smiley face there. That's the way, Phoenix, good job. And now we want to sort of curve in from the top of that U into here. So you literally just have a smiley face. Now the next thing you want to do is we want to do Petey's nose. Not quite halfway, sort of the quarter of the way on this boat, you want to just create a little mast. So that's kind of think about it. It's a boat and it's got a little mast. Mast, okay. And then what you want to do is you want to put a little circle on top of that mast. Awesome, very good, Phoenix.
There's a little highlight.
Yeah, that's cool. Now, what we want to do is we want to sort of go here on the boat and we want to draw a line up there on the quarter like that for his teeth. Good job. Now to make his teeth, we want to draw like 4 lines. So we're going to go here, 1, 2, actually we're going to do 3. There you go, 3 lines. And we want to color in the bottom of his mouth in black. So take your time with this part here. No need to rush. Remember, let's enjoy the process.
Oh, and you can also pause the video if we're going too fast.
That's right, you can pause the video at any time if you're falling behind to catch up. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna do Petey's eyes. Now, Petey, the cat from Dog Man, he doesn't have like round eyes, he has actually just lines. So we're gonna go 1 line down that way, like so. And 1 line down that way like so. And remember, these lines don't have to be perfect because in Dog Man, the lines aren't all that perfect. It's a little bit scrappy and rough, which is kind of cool. Now the next thing Petey has, he has like freckles on his face. He has 3 freckles either side on his cheeks. So you can do these wherever you want. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 on the right side, and we're doing the left side, 1, 2, 3. They kind of, if you want to be particular about it, they kind of sit just at the lips of the mouth. Now, what's the next step, Phoenix?
Whiskers.
You want to do the whiskers? Now, Petey has 3 whiskers on this side, and maybe we'll put 2 on this side. So we're going to do 1 big line here, another big line there, and another big line there. That one. And we're going to do 2 up here, like that. There we go. And if you want, you can just go over those whiskers again because his whiskers are quite big and pronounced. Okay? There you go. All cats have whiskers, meow, meow.
Meow.
Now the next step is we're going to do the 2 ears on top of Petey's head. And basically they're like triangles, really easy to do. So 1 up on this side on the left. So you're doing like an upside down V. And we're going to do another one on the right here. 1, 2. So take your time with that. Now we have Petey's head. It's taking shape. I really like it, Phoenix.
I did a curve.
Oh, he's got horns.
Nice
Like
ears.
it looks like a horn. Anyway. All right. So the next step is we want to do Petey's body, and he's going to be running in this picture. So we want to sort of put his body to the back. You know, when you run, your body sort of goes a different way. So what we want to do, we want to start sort of here, and we want to bring a line that goes all the way down to there. Yep. And then we want to bring another line over here, and we're going to make this kind of on an angle, slight angle just up to there. Awesome job, Phoenix. And what we'll do is we'll just connect those 2 lines together at the bottom, like so, with another line. And that's his body, okay? The next thing is we're gonna do his arms. So he's gonna do his arms where we're sort of like running on an angle. So what I want you to do, we're gonna draw an arm here that goes down and it elbows and it comes up with his hand. Now, the first step is pretty basic. We'll just do 1 line that goes down here, like so. Yep. And then the other line will go down there And you kind of don't want it to connect. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll go the other line up that way, like that. Oh, well, yep, you're doing the other side of Phoenix. Phoenix is doing the other side, I'm doing this side. So you can do whichever way you want. And so you do the other line up on the other side of the arm to form the arm. And see, there we go. We have his arm sort of bent in an elbow. Pretty cool, Phoenix. I love it. Now, what I'd like you guys to do is just connect that line at the top there so we can form the arm off. Beautiful. Awesome work. Now, what we want to do is we're going to do his fingers. Now, he's got 4 sort of fingers and they're kind of like clouds. So you go 1 curve, 2 curves, 3 curves, 4 curves. Kind of looks like a cloud, doesn't it? You see a cloud in the sky? Yeah.
Well, there's only one cloud
There's
outside.
only one cloud outside today. Okay, so the next step is we want to do his other arm on the opposite side. And this is going to be pretty much opposite. And he's going to be sort of running like this, like that. Okay, now we want to do a line that goes up here, sort of like this, goes all the way up there, like that. Good job. And then we want to bring, we've got the elbow up here, and then we want to bring it down a little bit. Oh, Phoenix is doing the opposite to me again. And then we can do what Phoenix did if you're up to that point, and you want to sort of just angle that into there. Yep. And then you bring it up a bit and then down into there. And then you want to connect that arm up to complete it. Okay. And so what do we put on this side here, Phoenix?
Fingers.
His fingers. And again, he's got 4 fingers and you do them like clouds. So they're like U's. Sideways U's, upside down U's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't like to do it continuously. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of looks like an upside down cloud. Okay. All right, next step is we want to do his legs. So he's going to have one leg here that's sort of forming like that and another leg that's going back, so he's running. So we're going to do the one on this side here first. And what we were going to do is we're going to go up and stop at the knee, where his knee would be. Yep. And then we're going to go down, sort of down a little bit like that. Beautiful. So I am going to go up from the top. Phoenix is going to go from the bottom here. So up here, Phoenix, watch. So I'm going to go there, but you're going to go from there. So I'm going to go up there and then down to there. There, good job. And like Phoenix has done, you want to connect it off. We're going to do that on an angle there so we can give the illusion of a bit of movement. Now we're going to do his foot. Foot's really easy. You just want to go a little heel up like that and curve it in. Good job. And then we want to bring that line of the bottom of the foot to there, sort of in line with this part of the leg here. Good work. And then you just want to connect it up. You can do a curve or a straight line, whatever you feel. Done. That's taken shape. Next step is we want to do the back of his leg. So he's going to go down and up in his foot. So come in a little bit here on the square, go down to about there. Good work, Phoenix. And then we want to go up to where the foot would be. Yep. And then we want to go down a bit. And we're not going to connect that one, just leave a bit of a gap. Okay, yep, beautiful work. And then we want to go up pretty high, like so. Yep, cool. So that's his leg, and we just got to form out his shoe or his foot. And so you want to do a line up here, like that. Yep. And then you want to do again like a heel that forms in like so. And see how mine aren't connected? Doesn't matter, just connect it up like that. And so if we want to do the same thing over here, we just cross the line here. Now, what is Petey missing?
Tail.
Tail. So he's a cat, he has a tail.
Meow.
Meow. So what I want you guys to do is start sort of at the corner of where this leg meets his body. And I want you to go up, like you're going for a drive down the street, and you go up a hill and you stop at a lookout to see the ocean or something like that. Okay, and so the next thing is you go for a little short drive, only for a very short drive to the fish and chip shop to buy yourself, what are you going? You're going the opposite way. So Phoenix is going the opposite way. Doesn't matter. So we want to go back that way that Phoenix has done. So we're going to fish and chip shop. Phoenix has decided to do another drive. So you want to come back down from that fish and chip shop and follow that road on a different road, but it's sort of a similar road, and you're coming down, boom, and there you go. You have your tail. Okay. And there we go. We have the shape of Petey. Now the last thing Petey has, he's got lots of stripes. So we're going to draw stripes on Petey. We're going to fast forward this bit because you can draw however many stripes you like, okay? All right, there you go. We've added the stripes in. Now, the last thing we have to do, what's the last thing we're going to do?
Color in.
Color in. All right, we'll see you on the other side, guys. Take care with the coloring in.
Bye.
There we go, we coloured in. How cool was that?
Ooh.
It was pretty easy, wasn't it? It's just really orange. But interestingly enough, so look what Phoenix has done. He's done really cool orange colours here. But if you look at what I've done, you can actually get a dark orange. You do your base orange and you get a dark orange, and you can put like highlight lines around there so it makes the picture stand out. Okay, Phoenix, so we've had fun drawing Petey, the cat from Dog Man. So what can the guys at home do?
Pause the video, like and subscribe.
That's right, you can pause the video any time to catch up if you're falling behind, or if you'd like to subscribe and like our channel, please do so. Just hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. My name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today I hope you had fun making art. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Pause the video and like and subscribe.
That's right, anytime you can pause the video. So I'll do it again, okay. Okay. Okay.
Come on. Well, we might have to tell them that you have to slant your paper this way.
All right, okay, that's a good idea. All right, so